Yo, what up, family? What up? What up? What up? Yeah, we haven't met for so long, and then today I was just there. I was like, oh, let me just, try to get something for my family, Yeah. So it's what it is. It's what it is. Yeah, we are about to begin something. It's like a surprise to all of y'all, but wait, before that, let me just take some few seconds to welcome all my new subscribers, and then to the existing ones, I say shout outs to all of you. Shout outs to all of you. Alright, so I've been looking to grow bears, like, if you should have checked my older videos, you would have noticed that actually this wasn't how my beard was. Yeah, I've actually developed some growth of it. Not a massive increase, but of course it has increased, Yeah. Alright, so I've just been wishing that I shall get this kind of plenty beard, like the stuff ones, Great. So I was just searching on YouTube, Facebook, like a lot of platforms, just to find out how I can also boost my beard. And it seems the most effective way that I was seeing, if not, let's say, what most people were recommending. Yeah. And so this was the particular product that they were all recommending that I use to boost my beard, the Minodixil. And this is actually the liquid form, and I know it comes in many forms. This is the liquid one, but we have the foam one, we have the spray, what else, I think, and the gel. Yeah, so there are 4 of them, and it also comes in different percentages. They've got the 5%, the 10%, the 15%. No, but this is 5%. Yeah, you can see. Let me show it here. Where is it? I think you can see that. Yeah, 5%. This is 5%. All right. So I couldn't actually start on the very first day I used it. I started using it yesterday, but I couldn't get a video yesterday, so I'm actually posting it today. Yeah, so this is our second day, and we've been told that this is a 1-month supply of Minoxidil, and so we're going to be on this for 1 month. I've heard a couple of reviews on it, and it's like, that thing is crazy, man. It works very, very, very slow, but yeah, with consistency, I think we're going to gain something. And actually, as you can see, I'm not starting from the very scratch. You can see I have some patchy bears here. Actually, this is kind of good here, but if you should check my risk, yes, you see, yeah, I've got a patchy ones. So we've got to use this so that it can grow darker and nicer, Yeah. All right, so this is Minodixil. This is what we're going to use, and they are saying that I should use it twice a day. Yeah. So in the morning, when you do your skincare routine, after all, you just apply to your beard, and also when you're going to sleep. So actually, that's how I'm going to do it. I've started already. I started only yesterday, but yeah. So 1 in the morning and 1 in the night when you're going to bed. And what I've noticed from people is that they say when you apply this, you don't need to wash off. It should be after 4 hours. Yeah, after 4 hours you can, but not before, right? And I think as we go ahead, I'll be giving you some updates on the beard growth journey. Yeah, I'll be giving you the updates. All right. Yeah, so just as I said, today's video isn't going to be that long. I'll be giving you the regular updates, yeah, but I'll just coming to introduce this to you so that we all start our beard growth journey together, But I will be doing the videos on how to use it, and then any effects that I will be noticing, anything regarding this, I'll be giving you the updates, right? Okay, so I've got your friend there, and I'm going to show you how his is looking like. That's how I really want to grow mine. So, all right, Clint, just can show them your brother you've got so that they know what I'm talking about. All right. You see, yeah. So as you can see the side, this is the waist cut, and then you can see how thick and darker and nicer it's looking.
Sure.
And oh god, I'm just having this patchy and oh come on,
so
I have to get this, man. I have to get this too.
We are still on it, so Chadi.
Yeah,
we're hoping to see so much changes.
It's very nice. It is very nice. Good. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is what I'm talking about. So in about, let's say, it depends on who you are. Yeah, but then I think, let's say, within 2 to 3 months, I should be able to reach there. Man, trust me, I should be able to reach there within 2 to 3 months. Yeah. All right. So today's video, that's actually how it's going to be. It's just an intro. Yeah. The details as to how you can use this and all will be coming later. Just take some time to subscribe to join our family, and then keep on or turn on the notification bell so that any updates that I'm going to be giving you, no problem. Any updates that I'm going to be giving you, you just going to get them right if I post them. All right. So once again, I say shout outs to you all. It's been so long since we met, but yeah, we're back again, and we're going to continue on our journey. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys. See you next time.
Ballin' boy.